Hello everyone, welcome to today's session on the best practices for incorporating ChatGPT into your instructional design process. Let's dive right in. Defining the learning objectives will help you provide ChatGPT with clear prompts that will help it generate relevant and useful content. Whether it's reinforcing concepts, providing additional context, or answering queries, align the use of ChatGPT with your instructional objectives. ChatGPT responds best to specific prompts. To help the model understand your needs and provide better responses, use clear, simple language, avoid jargon and technical language, and break down complex requests into smaller, manageable parts. Make sure your ChatGPT use is contextually relevant to the learning material and integrated into the content. You can also use ChatGPT as a virtual assistant to answer questions or facilitate discussions. Design prompts that encourage thoughtful engagement and reinforce key concepts through scenario-based questions, problem-solving exercises, or even collaborative activities where learners work with ChatGPT to find solutions. Regularly assess the effectiveness of ChatGPT in achieving learning objectives. Use the feedback from learners to improve your approach. Be transparent with learners about the use of ChatGPT, respect privacy, and avoid biases. Also, check ChatGPT's content for accuracy and bias. Whether you're a seasoned instructional designer or just getting started, these tips will help you get the most out of your interactions with ChatGPT. If you are not already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe icon right now so you don't miss anything in the future. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon with another insightful video.